In this video, I want to share to you with 3 points. 1. How to extract time. 2. How to combine full-time. And 3. How to total staff overtime. ICT share. 1. How to extract time in this column. And I want to show hour, minute, and second of the next columns. Okay, let me show you. I click on the top cell of hour and press equals and type hour function and open parentheses. Next, click time cell and close parentheses and press key, enter. The outcome is time extract to show only hour on cell. 12 hour. 3 p.m. hour. Next, how to extract minute. Click on cell and press equals. After, press minute function and open parentheses and click time. Close parentheses and enter. Now the minute has extracted from time. After, extract the second. Press equals and type second function. Next, click on time and close parentheses and enter. The result is 0 because it doesn't have the second value. Okay, the extract time is done. 2. How to combine time. In this example, I have some columns such as hour, minute, and second. And I want to combine to full time. Like this example. Okay, let me show you. First, click on this cell and press equals and type time function. Next, click on hour cell and press comma. After, click on minute cell and press comma again. The last, click on second of cell and close parentheses and press enter. Now in cell release result had combined to full time. Okay, combine hour, minute, second is done. 3. How to total hour staff working. This is a list of staff overtime. In this column, manage on time in, and one more column for time out. Here is result total hour of staff. Okay, let me show you. First of all, I remove the result in cells. Next, click on this cell and press equals. After, type hour function and click time out of staff. Next, close parenthesis and press minus sign and type hour function. After, click time in and close parentheses and enter. Now, check the result on cell. I want to express you that you can use this function only the time it doesn't have minute. Okay, the overtime calculate of staff is done. ICT share.